my dear viewers. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, or whatever, wherever you are. How's your Friday, guys? I hope you have had a fantastic Friday or day. Today I'll show you something. I noticed that our plum tree, our plums fruits are ready to harvest. So, okay, we have to harvest them before it's too late because there's a lot of insect, bees, or these flies. They're starting to eat them and make damage. Some of them, look, can you see that? Of course we must be generous to them, but not all of them. Not all, hindi lahat ng plums na ipakain natin sa kanila. Kain din tayo, di ba? Right? So, let's start. Let's start the harvest, guys. This one is more. This is ripe one. This is ready. It's good, I can tell. So maybe this one also. Here, sudden. Then kadokala po din famine P. I don't know. Hi Scott, are you here? And here, look guys. It's not good, right? Sila pang una nakatikim nito. No. I will not get them. Okay, I will just give it to them since they are starting to eat them, so I'll give it to them. Remember, we must be generous also to the nature and the wild animals. They need also food to eat, right? It's not only us. Look at those. Not good, but I love this. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Shit. Vero ba? Aldiha bahila din. Bakal. Yada. Porsi di bigyo na o. Space them. Dito wa ek. Igang me space them. Igo. Yeah. Jeg vil gerne ha. Yes, kan nog spise dem. Jeg vil hellere spise dem end. Hvis de har udlagt det hele. Det kan man godt se. Jeg vil ikke tillade dem at udlagt det hele, skat. Det skal også smage det jo. Det må gerne smage det.
Nej, det er fordi, nej, det er sgu det samme.
Jeg vil gerne have den. Så. Det er god. Den her det heller ikke god. Så
lad den bare hænge på træet.
Ja, den vil gerne have den. Ja, godt, tak for det. Hvad med derovre? Ja, det er set til dig.
Jamen, så vi skal lade den hænge, så lad den med.
Ja, men det andre så. Og så derinde mere, skat. Den anden. Ja, den der. Bare tag den. Jeg tror, jeg skal nok spise dem. Sådan. Ikke? Nej, jeg tror ikke, der er noget, der kan forklare det. Jeg prøver at kigge det over, skat. Prøv at kigge det over.
Lad nu være.
Jeg kigger lige. Ja.
Skal du komme med 20 mm regn?
Nej. Men nu er jeg i gang med at spise dem, så. Hvordan går det? So guys, I'm done. This one. Sabi niya ayaw daw, wag kunin. But I have to get this one. Magalit siya, guys. Pero see, guys. Kita nyo, guys. Nakuha ko to. Ito hindi pa to ready pero kainin ko lang to. Sayang kasi. Okay? Now, nakita nyo kung paano o ano itong fruits namin dito sa Denmark. We don't have this in Philippines. So, fine. You have this one also not ready yet. And we'll find if we can find some. Look at those apples. Hvordan ser det ud? Er det god? Jeg synes den er bedre end den her. Jeg vil gerne have smag ind det her. Jeg vil gerne have smag. Ej, jeg vil ikke spise. Ja, du har ikke vasket hænder, skat. Jeg vil smage på det her, skat. Nej, kun en. Okay. This is another one. Men jeg kunne ikke forstå, hvorfor de andre er helt vildt med det end det her. Eller hvad? Nej, den her det er væk. Det smager andre. So guys, this is not apple, but it is plum. You go. So that's all. And I wish you great weekend. Okay. At ingat kayo dyan. Take care. And see you around. See you next time. Bye for now.